Hey guys, in this video we'll talk about focus mode, an amazing feature on your iPhone 16 Pro that helps you stay distraction free by managing notifications based on your activities. So let's dive in. Focus mode is designed to filter out unnecessary distractions and let you focus on what truly matters. Whether you're working, sleeping, or enjoying personal time, focus mode ensures only essential notifications come through. To quickly access focus mode, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open Control Center. Tap the focus icon and you will see options like Do Not Disturb, Work and Sleep. You can also access it from the settings. Go to Settings app on your home screen, go to Focus and you'll find the same preset modes. You can even create your own focus mode by tapping the plus icon in the top right corner. So now let's customize the work focus mode as an example. Tap on work. Under silence notification, you will see two options, people and apps. Tap people. By default, allow notifications from is selected and some important contacts may already be listed. To add more, tap add, select a contact and they will now be able to reach even in focus mode. Now if you want to silence notification from certain people, select silence notification from, then add their names to block them while focus mode is on. Now for the apps, follow the same instructions as for the people. Now if you want the focus mode to active automatically, scroll down to set a schedule, tap add schedule and you can choose to activate it based on time, location or even when you are using a specific app. For example, you can set work mode to turn it on at 9 a.m. or when you arrive at your office. For extra convenience, toggle on smart activation and your iPhone will use AI to automatically turn on focus mode based on your habits. Now let's talk about a top-notch feature available on iOS 18, that is focus filters. Scroll down within your focus mode settings to find this feature. Focus filters allow you to customize how apps behave when a focus mode is on. For example, in Mail you can set up a filter to show only your work email account during work focus mode. This ensures you don't see personal emails until work mode is off. And that's it. That's how you manage notifications using focus mode on your iPhone 16 Pro. I hope you liked the video. Please share and subscribe.